Hey viewers, it's a shape I have taken here. I will try to change the gradient and different designs into that. I will change an angle. Let's change the pattern and the paint there. So there is a color on the land and each shape. So there will be a multiple color shape. We are going to try the shapes. Again I will take a similar shape bigger in size parallel to the first one. So let's add a paint over it. Take a shape and make a red design so that